how to add 0 in front of phone number in Google Sheets. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, I'll just create a blank spreadsheet right here. So I'll just click on this, and then I'll just choose a cell right here in where I will just add a random phone number. So for example, I'll just add it here in this cell. So I'll just put a random number right there. And as you can see, when I type in that number, the 0 is gone. So to add the 0 in the phone number, what you can do is to add an apostrophe. So just click the apostrophe on your keyboard. So there you go. And then just type in your number. So I'll just start it with a 0, and then I'll just input some random numbers. And then there you go. The 0 is now there. What you can also do is use some formatting settings. So I'll just choose another cell right here. So I'll just choose this cell, and then I'll just click on format right here, go to number, and then I'll just change it into plain text. So I'll just click on plain text right here. After that, I'll just add in a random phone number. So I'll just start it with 0. After that, I'll just add some random numbers. And then there you go. As you can see, the 0 is not gone. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a 0 in front of phone number in Google Sheets.